Let's follow the traces, solve a few tricky questions, and learn to trust the process. Trace, small sign or mark showing that something existed or happened. The police found no trace of the missing man. Trace, to follow or discover the path or origin of something. Scientists traced the virus back to its source. Track, path or route for running, racing, or walking. The athletes were training on the new running track. Trail, path through the countryside or forest. We followed a narrow trail through the mountains. Both path and track can mean a small road or way, but they differ slightly in use. A path is usually for people walking, often in a park or forest. A track is rougher, a dirt road or trail made by vehicles or animals, common in the countryside. Path. We followed a narrow path through the forest until we reached the lake. Track. The farmer drove his truck along a muddy track leading to the fields. Trail. We hiked a beautiful mountain trail that led to a waterfall. Track. To follow the movements or progress of something. The software tracks your online activity. Teachers use tests to track students' progress throughout the year. Trade. Buying and selling goods or services. International trade has grown rapidly in recent years. Trade, to exchange one thing for another. He traded his old phone for a new one. Tradition, custom or belief passed from generation to generation. It's a family tradition to eat together on Sundays. Traffic, vehicles moving along a road or street. There was heavy traffic on the highway this morning. Tragedy, very sad event, often causing suffering or death. The flood was a terrible tragedy for the whole town. Tragic, very sad, or causing great sadness. It was a tragic accident that shocked everyone. Trail, series of marks or signs showing where someone has been. The detectives followed the trail of footprints to the river. Trailer, vehicle pulled by another used to carry goods. The truck was pulling a trailer full of furniture. Trailer, short video advertising a movie. We watched the trailer for the new action film. Train, series of connected railway cars. The train to London leaves at 7 a.m. Train, to teach or learn skills or behavior. She's training to become a nurse. Trainer, person who teaches skills, especially in sports or fitness. The football trainer gave the team new exercises. Treat, to behave toward someone in a particular way. She always treats her employees with respect. Treat, something special or enjoyable. Ice cream after dinner is a nice treat. Treat, to give medical care. The doctor treated him for a broken leg. Treatment, the care or medicine given to a person to cure an illness or injury. The treatment lasted for 2 weeks. Tree, tall plant with a trunk and branches. The children played under the big oak tree in the park. Tremor, small shaking movement, especially from an earthquake or nervousness. A slight tremor was felt after the earthquake. A tremor ran through his hands as he waited to speak in front of the crowd. The doctor noticed a slight tremor in her right hand, a possible sign of Parkinson's disease. Trend, general direction in which something changes or develops. The trend of working from home has grown in recent years. Trend refers to something popular or developing over time, often in fashion, behavior, or statistics. It's more dynamic and visible. Example, the data shows an upward trend in unemployment rates. Tendency means a general inclination or habit. It's more about behavior or likelihood, not popularity. Example, she has a tendency to arrive late to meetings. Trespassing, entering someone's land or property without permission. The sign says, "No trespassing," to keep people out. Trial. Legal process to decide if someone is guilty. The murder trial lasted for 3 weeks. Trial. Test of performance or ability. The new drug is in the trial stage. Trial. A difficult experience. Losing his job was a real trial for her. Trick. Skillful action or method to do something. The magician showed us a new card trick. He taught me a few tricks to solve math problems faster. He learned a new trick on his skateboard at the skate park. That's a neat trick for remembering people's names. I'll have to try it. Every carpenter knows a few tricks of the trade to make the job easier. Trick. Action meant to deceive or surprise someone. The kids played a trick on their teacher by hiding her chalk. He tricked his friend into believing the story was real. He played a dirty trick on his rival by spreading false rumors. The bully pulled a cruel trick on the younger kids, making them cry. The magician performed an incredible magic trick with a deck of cards. Tricky. Difficult to do or deal with. The puzzle looks easy, but it's actually quite tricky. Tricky question. A question that is difficult to answer or easy to misunderstand. That's a tricky question. It sounds simple, but the answer isn't obvious. Trigger. Something that starts a reaction or event. Stress can be a trigger for headaches. Trigger. To cause something to start suddenly. The news triggered a wave of protests. Trigger off. To start something suddenly, especially something bad. The scandal triggered off a series of political resignations. Trim. To make something neat by cutting or removing parts. She trimmed the bushes in her garden. Trip, journey, especially for pleasure. We went on a weekend trip to the mountains. Trip, to catch your foot and almost fall. She tripped in the bar and dropped her glass. Trivial, not important or serious. Don't waste time arguing over such trivial matters. Trolley, cart used for carrying things, especially in supermarkets or airports. She filled her shopping trolley with groceries for the week. Trolley, small train or streetcar that runs on tracks. We took a trolley through the old part of the city. Tram, the most common term in British English for a city vehicle running on tracks. We took the tram across the city center. Streetcar, commonly used in American English for regular urban trams. The streetcar takes commuters across the city every 10 minutes. Trolley, also used in American English, often for historic or tourist trams, not always regular public transport. Example, we rode the old trolley through downtown Philadelphia. Trophy, object, given as a prize for winning. The team proudly lifted the championship trophy after the final game. Trouble, problem, or difficulty. He got into trouble for being late to work again. Trouble, effort, or inconvenience. It's no trouble at all to help you with your homework. Truce, agreement to stop fighting for a time. Both sides agreed to a temporary truce to allow peace talks. Truck, large vehicle for transporting goods. The truck carried fresh fruit from the farm to the city. True, based on facts or reality. It's true that she speaks 5 languages fluently. True, loyal or faithful. He's a true friend who always stands by you. Trump, to beat or surpass something. The swimmer trained hard every day to trump the competition at the national championships. Trump, playing card of the highest value in a game. Hearts are the trump suit in this round. Trunk, large, strong box or case for storing things. She packed her clothes into a trunk before leaving for college. Trunk, main part of a car at the back. Put the groceries in the trunk, please. Trunk, main part of the body, excluding the head and limbs. The athlete has strong trunk muscles. Trunk, long nose of an elephant. The elephant used its trunk to grab food from the ground. Trust. To believe someone is honest or reliable. You can trust me. I'll keep your secret. Trust. Belief in someone or something. Their friendship is based on mutual trust. Trust. Organization that manages money or property for others. The charity is run by a family trust. From clever tricks to true trust, every word tells a story. See you in the next episode.